Hello there, David Green, also known as the Renegade. Let's check out the Stanley Recharge It 15 amp charger. Let's see what this is all about. All right, the Stanley Recharge It 15 amp charger. It's a true 3-stage high frequency charging unit. Patented engine start, patented alternator check, charge engine, start battery, test, recondition, all that stuff. A digital LEC display shows battery status. Rubber over molded handle. Heavy duty metal clamps. Reverse polarity protection. What that means is you're not going to get any sparks if you hook it up wrong. It's all UL listed for safety. So let's open this bad boy up and see what it's all about. Get that up. All right, there we go. First of all, as we're coming out, what's this tag? It's a tag right here. What's this tag say? It's a tag that shows everything on the LCD display right here. It tells you everything that's going to be on it. The LCD display detail, the battery charge gauge, all kinds of stuff on there. So leave that hooked up on there. Let's take this out. I'm just going to dump it. There we go. And the box, we don't want that. Throw that away. And here is, here's a warranty card. Let's check out the warranty information on this. The instruction book right here. The instruction book is written in Español and English. So, si habla español poquito, you'll be able to read it. If you don't, and you only do English, you'll be able to read it. So, inside here, it should tell you what the warranty is going to be on this. And let's see what it says. Yes, sir. 1-year warranty on it. Right there. No big deal. There you go. 1-year limited warranty. Just like I expected. See the card? Fill it out. Fill out the bottom. Go online, fill it out if you choose. If you fill it out here, stick a stamp on there, drop it in the slow mail, and let the snail mail pick it up and take it. So we'll put that stuff off on the side. Now let's see what this thing's all about. So as we look at this, you got to hook it up. There should be a place right here is your power. Look in the back right here. And here is a little storage spot right here that has our power cord in it. So let's see if we pull that out. So there's the power cord pulled out. And what does all this say right here? It gives you your model number. It's going to tell you your input 120 volt, 60 hertz, 270 watt. So 270 watt coming out or in. Output 12 volt, 15 amp, 40 amp engine start. So when you hook it up to the engine, you're going to get a surge of 40 amps to fire up your engine on it right there. So that's really important. Even though it says it's only a 15 amp, it's got a 40 amp engine start power surge. So here's your plug. Take this off. We're going to plug this in just to see what the heck happens to it. Get this unhooked. That'll take care of that. Let me plug it in. All right, I heard a beep when I plugged it in, and this all lit up right here. Let me undo it. Here we go. Look at that. I undid it and it stayed lit. Now it went away. There we go. Let's plug it back in, and it lights up right here. Here's your positive and negative clamps, and it looks like they go all the way around the unit right here. And you got pretty good distance. How long is that? Let me check this out. Looks like our cord is approximately 6 feet long. Let me check to find out. All right, let's grab a measuring tape. Let's find out how long this cord is to see if it's a decent length. All the way. We're actually 6 feet to the end of it. We're 6 feet to the end of the clamps and another 4 inches to the end of it. So you got a 6-foot reach on your cord right here. That's pretty decent. That's very respectable. I can live with that. Now, we look on the front here, and what do we've got? We've got an engine start button. We've got an alternator check. We got battery record, battery voltage, charge button. So if you're going to charge, you're going to hit that when you're going to just charge only, or if you're going to start. So let me see what happens. I've got a battery here handy. It's off a motorcycle. Let me grab that bad boy and let's hook it up and see what it does. All right, right there's a battery. Let's get that over here. Now make sure you hook black to negative, red to positive. It's pretty much a no-brainer. Okay, we're hooked up right here. Let's see what's going on here. Engine start, we're not going to do that. But battery voltage, let's look at this and hit that. There we go. It just said 9.6 volt when it first came on. It's actually at 12.4 right now. So initially it was 12, a little over 9, and it's already at 12. Hit that again. There it is, 12.4. See that? If I want to recondition the battery, you're going to hit battery recondition right here and let that go. It takes about 24 hours to recondition a battery. And there's a little LED screen right here, and it's going from 3 bars to 4 bars, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, and it goes back and forth, up and down, up and down, up and down. When it's completely charged, reconditions, it's going to say on it, it's probably going to say something like flow that lets you know it's done. So let me turn that off. If I wanted to just charge the battery, I'm going to hit this button right here. Let's see. Right there, flow. Flow means that it's fully charged right here. So this battery doesn't even need to be charged. It's got plenty of go-go juice inside it. So turn that off. Perfect. Unhook these. Look, no sparks. Look at this. As I do this, guess what, cats? I get no sparks. What happens if I hook it up reverse? Let's find out. I'm going to put that on the I'm going to put the positive on the negative. I'm going to put the negative on there. Hear that? Hear that? It's talking to me, which tells me I'm hooked up wrong, but nothing happens. Nothing is wrong. Right here, it's giving me a warning signal on the clamps right there. So that tells you, undo it, you knucklehead. Why did I do it that way? Because I'm a knucklehead. So there, boom, now we're hooked back up right, no big deal. And no sparks came out of that whole time. Did you notice that? That was pretty cool, pretty sweet. The cord feels pretty good. Feels like a pretty good cord on here. Plenty of strength and thickness and power to this cord for what it's going to be. The power cords for this only going to be up to 40 amps, so this is plenty of cord for this. I think we've got plenty of insulation, plenty thick. So there we go. The Stanley 15-inch battery charger, 40 amp engine starter. And oh, what are these little guys? Just hit these little guys. Okay, please do not return a problem. If you have problems with this product, please do not return to retailer. Immediately call customer service. That's what that tag said. So if you got a problem with that, that's how you're going to deal with it. But look at these little guys right here. They're little feet right here. So we put these down so that it doesn't sit flat. You've got the little feet to keep it elevated off the ground. Instead of sitting completely flat, you tilt it up so that you can visibly see the screen easier. So super easy, piece of cake. All right, let me unplug it. And let's get the power cord shoved back in here. Its own little compartment to hold the cord in it. Shove that back inside. That way the cord's not dangling around. I have an old one of these. I won't mention the brand. It's a crappy brand. And the cord doesn't have any place to go. And so therefore it's always wrapped around the unit. It's a pain in the butt. And then let's wrap this back up. This gets all wrapped up on the bottom. So we'll put our cord back together. This goes wrapped up on the bottom. Then we hook them on the side, right here. Get that done tighter. Wrap it good and tight. You know, this is a pretty handy unit. Pretty nifty, pretty easy to use. Put that on there. This on there. And my charging unit is ready to go. So, the Stanley 15-inch battery charger, 40 amp engine starter. Is it gonna work? It'll do the job. It'll do everything I want it to do. Later, let's go.